standard of education in this land. Another thing is about health sector. The reason why I'm contesting is to say that if I work hand in hand with the government of Uganda under NRM, the health sector in the district of Dokolo will be improved because we have like health centers 2s which need to be upgraded to health center 3s, and others as 3 that we need to be upgraded to health center 4s. Then we have also we need also a district hospital, at least 2, not only 1. So that is what is taking me to Parliament as an independent NRM candidate. Then the other thing also, we need wealth creation. We have women, because if we support women in their various groups, we shall develop our district, because women is the backbone of development in the country. When you give a woman something, you would have served the whole family. So I want to work hand in hand with the government of Uganda under NRM government to see that we support these women at the grassroots level. The other thing that is making me to come to contest is to see girl-child education. I talked of education as a general thing, but right now I'm coming to girl-child education because most of our people, they don't think that if you educate a girl, you educate the whole nation. So you find that most of the girls are dropped out from schools and they are really victims of vulnerability in all ways. So as a woman, I would wish to take this position and to come and defend the cause of girl-child education.
Nwe Dr. Eseda Kuroboti Otada na jirangu nawe chiri kumutwaro mwishenjero bimwe ahabinji no kwasa kwisi abantu obuhereza nk'obwenguto amashanyarazi hamwe na mizi marungi go kunywa na jirangu bimwe ahabizwe bidokoreine n'ekizu cy'amashanyarazi akushanga twakamara ekiro kimwe musande yona akushanga ngo omusande yona nbabi n'amashanyarazi ekiro kimwe cyonka najango gundi umwogo rw'umutwaro mwishenjero no kurwanirira obwegese na mnonga harobaju urw'abana bo bwishiki.
And that is why I am going to this parliament, because I want to go and speak for the women. I want to go and speak for the girl child. Cecilia Ogwal handled the plight of girl child. That is one of my major things that in these 2 years, I don't want to put many manifestos. In these 2 years, we are going to, with experience that I have been working with girl child before, we have a lot of activities that we want to put in for girl child. If I'm putting it for girl child, I am not putting it for girl child. We are going to, together with other partners, together with the stakeholders, work for the right, bring the girl child, not leaving the boy child. We are going to bring the boy child so that we balance the boat. Also in Dokolo, we don't have electricity. I know that like even today when we are launching, you cannot get any cold water in Dokolo. And yet we have very many women, we have very many girls who are school dropout. They are trying to improve on their income. But there is no electricity. If you are to have electricity in Dokolo, you can have it for once in a month. And yet they are doing business. I was shocked this morning. As I was coming, it was 6 a.m. I got the women who are roasting cassava in darkness. So these women are prompt to rape. Now suppose they rape them, where do they run to? So going to parliament, we want to work with the team, we want to work with the district, we want to work with the government, we want to work with all the possible NGOs and lobby so much so that we bring power or electricity in Dokolo.
Kando nawe Dr. Rosemary Aroko Gwal, kando gunumhala umujenzi Cecilio Gwal, orukwenda kwasa kwa naza